A tornado can appear within seconds outdoors. Open fields offer zero protection. Seek the lowest ground immediately. Ditches and ravines can save your life. Lie completely flat on the ground. Cover your head with both arms. Never shelter under a bridge or overpass. Debris travels faster than you can run. Stay away from trees at all costs. Flying branches become deadly projectiles instantly. Move at right angles to the tornado. Watch the funnel cloud direction carefully. Stay low until complete silence returns. Check for injuries before standing up. Never assume one tornado means danger past.